Good evening, everybody. Today we are going to discuss why there is commerce required after 10th. Is it necessary? After 10th, you should opt for plus 2 commerce. Is it required? 10th पर तुमको कौन plus 2 commerce निहाती बा जरूरी नहीं. साधारणतः आमे देखुचे 10th परीक्षा पर जब रिजल्ट बाहरे जो मैंने बहुत हाई स्टैंडर्ड पिला से मैंने साइंस ऑप्ट करती ताठू टी कम स्तर लोक पिला माने कौन करती कॉमर्स ऑप्ट करती आ सबुठ जो मानकर कम स्कोर थाए से माने आर्ट्स ऑप्ट करती कौन एटा सही ठीक निर्णय ना नहीं एटा गोटे प्रश्न अच्छी आज सृष्टि होती. सो साइंस स्टूडेंट माने जब भी साइंस ऑप्ट करती कौन से माने सक्सेसफुल की से माने हुए तो आफ्टर 10th से माने जब साइंस जॉइन करती कौन हुए जब भी रिजल्ट बाहर प्लस 2 साइंस से सेकेंड डिवीजन हो जाती थर्ड डिवीजन हो जाती किंतु मैट्रिक रे बा 10th रे तांकर परसेंटेज 80% थाए 90% थाए एटा कौन पे हुए 10th सहित कौन सामंजस्य अच्छी कि प्लस 2 ओके गोटे भल पिला सब बेले साइंस पढ़े बोली कौन मान्य अच्छी कि ताठू टिके कम स्तर पिला कौन कॉमर्स पढ़े बोली मान्य अच्छी कि कौन कॉमर्स 10th सहित कौन संपर्क अच्छी कि जो स्टूडेंट माने साइंस पढ़ती से प्लस 2 रे थर्ड डिवीजन बा सेकंड डिवीजन ऑप्ट करती तापर से माने जेते बेले आसंती प्लस 3 करिया को से माने पूर्ण थेर कॉमर्स को आसंती किंतु देखा जाए जे प्लस 3 कॉमर्स कला पर तांकर उत्तर उन्नति हुए से माने बहुत भलो स्कोर करती भलो परसेंटेज भी रखती तापर से माने एमबीए करती बा चार्टर्ड अकाउंट करती आ से माने बहुत भलो सक्सेसफुल होती. आपन जदि साइंस स्ट्रीम जाउछन केवल दुईटा ही आपण लाइन खोलुची गोटे होची इंजीनियरिंग आउ मेडिकल किंतु ए कॉमर्स लाइन आपण आसीबे जदि आपण पई डिफरेंट स्कोप अछि आपण मल्टीपल स्कोप पाई परिबे जेतळ आपण ई पर्टिकुलर कॉमर्स आछंती आपण जदि प्लस 2 कॉमर्स करिवे तापर आपण बीकॉम करि परिबे आपण आपण कंपनी सेक्रेटरी जॉइन करि परिबे सीएमए जॉइन करि परिबे ओके तापर आपण बीकॉम बीबीए पर आपण एमबीए भी करि परिबे ओके विभिन्न मास्टर डिग्री करि परिबे. सो दिस कॉमर्स इज हैविंग द मल्टीफेसेटेड or multi-dimensional course you can do and everybody can do this particular commerce. Okay, so after 10th you should see about whether you like what you like or what you don't like. साधारणतः देखा जाए उचित मेंटर अभाव रे आमे गोटे भूल निर्णय नहीं जाऊ 10th पर साइंस नहीं तापर पश्चाताप करने को पड़े एंड तापर आम कैरियर रे आगो को बढ़िया को बहुत मुश्किल है से जी भी मेंटर अच्छा से माने निहाती भाव गोटे स्टूडेंट को गाइड करूँ 10th पर तार रुचि कौन सी कौन चाहूँगी पितामाता निजर जो इच्छा शक्ति स्टूडेंट उपरे लदी दिंतुनि गोटे भाई इंजीनियर होती आउट भाई इंजीनियर हम कि माने नहीं गोटे भाई साइंस पढ़ी माने मोर सबु संतान साइंस पढ़े एटा किसी माने नहीं कौन इच्छा अच्छी फास्ट ऑफ ऑल तुम कौन रुचि अच्छी तुम केमी कॉन्फिडेंस अच्छ 10th मार्क सहित तुम साइंस पढ़व ना कॉमर्स पढ़व तार किसी भी माने नहीं तुमर कौन इच्छा कौन अच्छी तुम केमी एडप्ट करें इजिली पढ़ी पार तुम केमी कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड हम से बहुत इंपोर्टेंट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर आफ्टर 10th पर निजक फास्ट भाविया को दिंतु ओके विभिन्न लोक मान सहित जोगाजोग करूँ निज रिलेटिव सहित पचारतु विभिन्न यूट्यूब वीडियो सर्च करूँ ता छड़ा विभिन्न गूगल सर्च करूँ ओके द्वारा तुम जापर जे कौन 10th पर कॉमर्स जरूरी ना साइंस जरूरी ना आर्ट्स जरूरी तुम इच्छा मुताबिक तुम कौन लगाव अच्छी गोटे सब्जेक्ट से इच्छा मुताबिक से लगाव मुताबिक तुम कौन कर गोटे साइंस बा आर्ट्स बा कॉमर्स जॉइन कर किंतु आज विषय वस्तु हूँ 10th पर कॉमर्स ओके कौन जरूरी कि 10th पर कॉमर्स कर ओके. सो व्हाई चूज कॉमर्स आफ्टर क्लास 10th पर कौन पे कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम प्लस 2 कॉमर्स कौन पे हेबा दरकार ओके. कॉमर्स इज वन ऑफ द पॉपुलर स्ट्रीम दैट ए स्टूडेंट चूज आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द 10th बोर्ड एग्जाम. कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम्स ऑफर स्टूडेंट्स ए वाइड रेंज ऑफ करियर ऑप्शन आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग क्लास 12 that will give them a sense of financial security and make them successful. 10th पर तुम जो +2 कॉमर्स ऑप्ट करिवो तापरे +3 करिवो बा बीकॉम करिवो बा चार्टर्ड अकाउंट करिवो बा सीएमए करिवो बा सीएस करिवो बा एमबीए करिवो जे कोनोसी जिंस करंतु चाकरी पाइबा पे जे कोनोसी प्रोफेशनल कोर्स करंतु जहाँ भी किछि भी करंतु तुमर जो भविष्य गोटे कौन उज्जवल हम तुम फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रांग हो पार तुम साउंड सैलरी पाइपर ओके से तुम कौन गोटे कॉमर्स गोटे स्ट्रीम अच्छी 10th पर तुम जॉइन करिया दरकार।
So meaning of commerce कौन? Commerce अर्थ कौन? Commerce as a stream of education can be defined as a study of trade and business activities such as the exchange of goods and service from producer to final consumer. The main subject that are taught in the commerce stream in class 11th and 12th include economics, accounting and business studies. So commerce is nothing but the study of trade, बिजनेस एक्टिविटी सच एज एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज, कैसे एक्सचेंज होता है, कैसे गुड्स एंड सर्विस सेलर और बायर में एक्सचेंज होता है, कैसे ट्रेड होता है, ओके, एंड कैसे प्रोडक्ट आता है कस्टमर को अल्टीमेटली। सो दीज आर द काइंड ऑफ थिंग इज द मीनिंग ऑफ व्हाट कॉमर्स। एंड कॉमर्स में कौन सा 11th और 12th में कौन सा सब्जेक्ट आप बहुत कंपल्सरी स्टडी करोगे, जो कि अकाउंटिंग है, अकाउंटेंसी, economics as well as business studies. These are the 3 important subjects so far as +2 commerce is concerned. आपके you have to know what is accountancy, and that accountancy can helpful for you in your chartered account, in your CMA, in your BCom, in your MBA. So that's why this accountancy is there as the compulsory subject in +2. Similarly, economics is there. The same economics that we are studying in the +2 commerce, the same will be there in the BCom and CS and CMA, chartered account, MBA. So that's why it is important. And also business study. Business कैसे किया जा सकता है, बिजनेस का फंक्शन क्या है, बिजनेस का रोल क्या है, ओके, कैसे कंपनी आता है, कैसे कंपनी ओके तैयार होता है, ओके, मैनेजर कैसे मैनेज करता है, ये सारी चीज आप पढ़ोगे as an advanced version when you can go from +2 to +3 and subsequent higher studies if you can do. So that's why these 3 subjects like business studies, accountancy as well as economics, which is the most important in case of what commerce. Commerce का मतलब क्या है? exchange of what? Goods and services. Okay, and how the goods and services from the producer it will reach to the final consumer. That is the main objective. And the most 3 subjects that we are important subject that we are going to study is business studies, accountancy as well as economics. Then I discuss about what is business studies, कैसे बिजनेस चलता है, बिजनेस पार्टनर कौन होता है, कंपनी क्या है, what are the different type of company, what is the meeting, what is director, what is board of director, then what is who is manager, what is the manager role, function, ये सारे चीज आप कहाँ पे डिस्कशन करोगे, when where you can study in the subject that is business study, which is there as a compulsory subject in the +2 commerce. Thereafter you can go for economics. Economics का मतलब क्या है? The economics is nothing but it is a social science, okay, of the study of production, distribution, consumption of goods and services. Okay, so economics जो कि बहुत important subject है, economics का knowledge होना बहुत जरूरी है, that you can apply the knowledge of economics from your household to the economy at large. And this economics subject is having the most important from the +2 and from the +3 and other CS or CMA or chartered account. This particular economics is the most important subject. Economics का मतलब क्या है? Production, कैसे production किया जाता है, okay, how the producer produces and how the product can be distributed to the among the different users and how the consumption takes place. So these production, consumption, distribution of goods and services for human welfare. Okay, the main emphasis of economics is all about how the goods can be used by the human welfare. That is the thing in economics that you can study as a subject whenever you are studying the +2 commerce. Okay, thereafter accountancy. Okay, so accountancy is the main subject, it is the backbone of plus 2 commerce. Okay, so accountancy matlab it is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting the financial data or accounting data. Okay, so small organization से big organization वो क्या है accounting use करता है. Okay, so you can study this subject common for every kind of graduation, post graduation and master degree. So this kind of subject is quite compulsory. Okay, so there are different kind of opportunities there when you are quite thorough with this particular main and most important foundation subject of this commerce is accountancy. Thereafter we are studying what are the career chart for plus 2 commerce. Okay, so this is, look at diploma program is there. Thereafter this different degrees are there, just then different kind of programs are there. This after 10 plus 2 you can do this kind of programs. Okay, BCom, then BBA, then BCA, BA you can do. Okay, this is somewhere there is 3 years course. Okay, somewhere it is 5 year course. प्लस 2 कॉमर्स के बाद आप LLB कर सकते हो, BBA with LLB कर सकते हो. So there are different kind of opportunity will be there under this particular plus 2. Similarly, also there are different kind of diploma programs are there. Diploma in travel and tourism, diploma in hotel management, diploma in air hostess and flight steward, then diploma in education. आप ये भी course diploma course कर सकते हो. Then different kind of professional programs also there. The duration is 3 years and above. The CA program is there, ICAA program is there, CS program is there, CFA program is there. So these are different kind of professional programs are also designed, and after the plus 2 commerce you can opt this one. There are certain students who are in the plus 2 commerce also, they are going for different kind of professional knowledge they are acquiring. They are trying to get the knowledge by joining certain institutions. Okay, so after plus 2 commerce there are different kind of opportunity will be there. You can go for diploma courses, you can go for degree courses, and you can go for the professional courses. Okay, so this is the career options for commerce. Okay, so for this particular commerce there is a chartered account option, is there company secretary, financial analyst, financial planner, investment analysis. Different kind of opportunities, different kind of career option is there for this particular commerce guy. Then look at, this is the different kind of course option after BCom. Okay, so look at BCom. After BCom means what? Bachelor in commerce. Soon after your plus 2 commerce you can go for BCom. Then after BCom what you can do? BCom is for 3 years, that is bachelor in commerce. After BCom there are different kind of options are available to you. Different kind of scope is there for you. Okay, BCom पर निहाती बड़ा स्कोप अच्छी. MBA जहाँ की मास्टर ऑफ बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जहाँ की डिफरेंट एलिजिबिलिटी दरकार. ओके, आपण केट मेट जे डिफरेंट ओडिशा जेबी अच्छी जहाँ की एंट्रेंस एग्जाम आपण को कंप्लीट करिया दरकार. तापर एक कोर्स 2 ईयर अच्छी आउ विभिन्न मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी ए पार्टिकुलर कोर्स ऑप्ट कला पर तुमको रिक्रूटमेंट करंती. जेमिति Amazon, JP Morgan, Microsoft, Accenture, Bank of America. Okay, आ तुम सैलरी जोड़ा कि 6 लाख per annum to 10 लाख per annum पर्यंत जाई पारे. Okay, so plus 2 commerce, then BCom, तापरे MBA. Okay, thereafter what? Master in commerce, जो माने कि कैरियर लेक्चर हबा को चाहूचंती, टीचिंग प्रोफेशन हबा को चाहूचंती, से ए पार्टिकुलर BCom पर MCom भी करि पारबे. मास्टर ऑफ कॉमर्स जहाँ की BCom डिग्री निहाती दरकार. ओके, 2 इयर्स जहाँ की ड्यूरेशन. तापरे ए MCom कला पर केवल टीचिंग जॉब नुहे, ताछड़ा डिफरेंट जॉब विभिन्न सेक्टर रे आपण जॉब करि पारिबे. और डिफरेंट कंपनी मध्ये TCS, Infosys, BOP, Genpact, EY ए विभिन्न कंपनी कौन एक्वायर करती, रिक्रूटमेंट करती विभिन्न MCom कैंडिडेट को. ओके, जहाँ पैकेज के 3 लाख to 6 लाख पैकेज. ओके, सो मास्टर इन कॉमर्स इज हैविंग ए more opportunity, and it is almost all government college they are giving this particular MCom and PC, and those who are financially not that much of sound to go for MBA, they can go for this particular MCom. In Barampur University also MCom is there, Padikot is MCom is there. Okay, Similarly, chartered account, the graduation plus 2.5 year of professional experience. Okay, they are going for this particular chartered account, and the duration is 3 years. And there are different kind of company like HDFC, PwC, KPMG, Deloitte, EY, Tata, Accenture. They are recruiting this particular chartered account people, and the salary is look at 8 lakh per annum to 20 lakh per annum. There is a huge kind of salary you are getting from CA. Thereafter, CAS is there, that graduation or class 12 degree you can go for CS. Okay, the minimum eligibility, it is a 3 years course, and the various companies PwC, KPMG, okay, Deloitte, EY, TCS, they are recruiting this particular guys of CS, and the minimum package is around 20 lakh per annum to 30 lakh per annum. Similarly, chartered financial analyst, the graduation or the final year of graduation can go for this kind of chartered financial analyst course. The duration is 2.5 years, and there are different kind of companies like JP Morgan, Chase, UBC, Citigroup, Bank of America. They are taking this kind of guys, and the package is around 10 lakh per annum to 25 lakh per annum. Similarly, business accounting and taxation, the BCom degree and above is required, and it is around 8 weeks to 12 weeks the duration is there. And there are different big fours, Adobe, Data Matrix, different kind of companies. They are recruiting this business accounting and taxation people, and the salary is around 5 lakhs per annum to 11 lakh per annum. Similarly also there are other courses also there. Look at business accounting and taxation, that is BCom degree and above required. As I already told, the certified management account, CMA. Okay, that is very much popular nowadays. Graduation plus 2 years plus 2 years of work experience required for CMA, and 6 months is the duration. There are different kind of companies, Deloitte, Genpact, Cognizant, KPMG, International. They are also recruiting this kind of certified management accounting, that is CMA guys, and the package is around 8 lakh per annum to 14 lakh per annum. Okay, then actually sciences, BCom and BCom honors degree is the 6 months for certified course, plus 2 years of master degree. And HSBC, Deloitte, KPMG, Citigroup, they are recruiting this kind of people, and salary is around 10 lakh per annum, 20 lakh per annum. Then bachelor in education, that is BEd, graduation degree is required, 2 years required. Private school, central government school, public school, they will recruit to you. Then the salary is around 3 lakh per annum to 10 lakh per annum. So this is a brief chart about whatever the course after the BCom. So the main foundation is all about plus 2 commerce. Once you have qualified the plus 2 commerce, once you are good in understanding what are the subjects are there in plus 2 commerce, thereafter it is very much smooth for you, very much easy for you to go for the BCom, and thereafter there are different kind of opportunity, your career opportunity, and different kind of courses available to you, and where you can get a lot of salary for that. Why the Commerce Lab? So as we are a part of the Commerce Lab, that is TCL, the Commerce Lab. So why one has to choose the plus 2 commerce in TCL? Why one has to join the TCL? Okay, so first Commerce Institute in South Odisha to launch online classes. Nowadays there is a COVID-19 situation is there. Corona threat is there everywhere. So it is the time that education institutions should think about the students' future. They should do the classes in online mode, digital mode. So it is the first institution, that is the Commerce Lab, who had given in Barampur, or we can say in Odisha, this commerce course in online mode. And it is the first organization which surpassed the 1000 subscriber in its first few months only, and now the subscriber number is around 1300 subscribers. Okay, so you know what is the popularity of this particular Commerce Lab, and there are different kind of reputed faculties are in the whole state of Odisha. They are teaching this particular subject, who are professionally sound, who are experienced, who are much skillful. They are teaching in this particular the Commerce Lab. And for your kind information, every subject there is a different kind of faculty. It is not that one teacher, one faculty is teaching all the subject. Every subject there are different kind of faculties are recruited, different faculties are teaching different subject. For accountancy difference, from economics different teacher, for business study different teacher. Every subject of +3 there is a different teacher, every subject of +2 there are different teacher. For CMA different teachers are there, so you can get a charm of different skills, different knowledge, different experience of these professional, skillful, experienced teachers. So that's why this Commerce Lab is very much important. It is not that one teacher is teaching all the subjects. Well furnished and AC classroom. I am today here in the Commerce Lab. This room is full of AC, so you can get the charm of AC classes also. Okay, then virtual and face-to-face classes for CA, CMA, CS students, for reputed faculty from all over the world. So whenever it is not that only +2 and +3 is there here, also you can offer CA, CS, CMA. Okay, so different kind of professional course you can opt from this particular Commerce Lab, where all the teacher, all the mentors who are all over India, where they can teach you through this virtual mode, or they can teach through the face-to-face mode. So that's why it is important. So career and scope after what is BCom, when you go for +2 commerce, thereafter there is a BCom will come, and these are the options available for you: Chartered Account, MB Finance, MCom, Institute of Cost and Works Accountant of India, ICAA, Company Secretary, Certified Management Accounting, Association Chartered Certified Accountants, then Certified Public Accountant. Different kind of scope, opportunity and career options are there for the +2 commerce people. So that is the kind of charm of this particular +2 commerce. So don't lose your hope, and don't feel inferior that my friend went for science, why should I go for commerce. It is not like that. If you are quite capable, you can go for science, no doubt. If you like this particular commerce subject, if you interest in the economics, if you having interest in the business, company and all the aspects, then after the +2 commerce, after the 10th, you can go for the +2 commerce. And I wish you all the best to your career, and I wish you the best life and the prosperous life and blissful life to all the +2 commerce aspirants. Thank you for listening my lecture today, and please subscribe our channel, The Commerce Lab. Thank you so much, and all the best.